guys, it's Gracie, Graceful Grace, and today I'm going to tell you how to make slime. So, I know, slime is like so stretchy, and I'm going to make the super soft one, so I can't wait. So let's just get straight into the video and tell you how to make it. Shaving cream, which is actually going to make our slime soft. So that's that. You need a container to store it in. Also, what you need is activator. I've got borax because borax was the best. What I did is I added like...
So guys, what happened here is the voice went off, and I'm very sorry about that, but I'm just going to explain it. So I got a teaspoon of borax and some hot water and mixed them together to make the activator. So yeah guys, sorry the voice went off. This will never happen again, guys.
And you need a bowl and a spoon to stir. So first of all, I'm going to put my sleeves up because I don't want them to get dirty. So yeah. So first of all, it might be not good lighting because these curtains are like literally not open and it's really dark. So first of all, you're going to need some glue into your bowl. Okay, that's enough. Okay. So, if you can't see, I've put some glue in there. Yep. And now what I'm going to do is just like that. Now what I'm going to do is, actually I'm putting a little bit more glue in there. Make sure to close it so it doesn't dry. Now I put some glue in here. Now what I'm going to do is shake my shaving foam. I'll shake it off. And you're going to open it and just and you're going to put shaving cream in it. Actually mine is just like, there we go. It's acting funny right now, guys. Okay, that's enough. Gee, just one more. There. Now it's enough. Because I want to make my slime really, really fluffy. So now you're going to add your borax or your activator. Just give that a little stir. So the powder. So just put some of that in. Now mixing time. Oh my goodness guys, it's already starting to look and clump up just like slime. OMG. So guess what guys, see this? See that? It's already starting to clump up and begin to make slime. So this is what you have to do. Well, this is how it's going to start conditioning up and making slime, softer slime. I don't think I have done a video about slime actually. Maybe I just didn't post it one up. Even if I made it. And it's starting to become slime form. Just gotta stir it in like butter mimi. Yo, bro, let's go. Just got some on my table.
Whoa, guys.
Slime, it's being slime. It's actually clumpy. Very, very, very clumpy. But it will soon not be clumpy after you've like stirred it with your hands a little bit. I'm gonna give it a finger test. It's not sticky at all. Starting to make the bowl clean. It's actually starting to make the bowl clean. Actually, the bowl is much more cleaner now. So now it's slime. Just gotta get that extra off of my spoon. There's color in it because my hands were like colory. Gotta add a teeny little bit more borax. Then I'm going to stir it in all together because my hands have color on them, guys. See that? Okay, there you go, guys. Now I'm gonna pick it up, and you always have to knead the slime before you play with it. So right now what I'm doing is just kneading the slime that I've just made. Make sure kids shouldn't be doing this under 5 years old, I think. Yeah, kids should not use borax or play with slime under 5 years old. So guys, it has a little bit of color in because basically what borax is clean it. I heard that slime is used for cleaning, so I'm basically just gonna do that. This is green, guys. Like literally, this is green. No, literally, guys, it's green inside. By the way, this slime is really fun, and the thing to make it really fluffy, see all of these air bubbles inside it? That causes it to make it really fluffy. See, do you hear that, guys? Oh, yeah. This is like the softest slime I have ever made. And this is the biggest bunch. So guys, by the way, if you set this out and leave it for a few days, it will get bubbles in it, and it will be scrunchy when you pop the bubbles. So yeah, just telling you about that, you know, yeah, you guys literally, you
Know that.
Hope you guys liked this video, and this is to put the slime in. And I actually left my slime for a little bit, and it actually got so soft. Oh, by the way, it can make poop noises. Wow. Oh, look, guys, bubble. See that
Bubble.
You hear? Pop. It's actually, this is a container. Just joking. I really hope you guys like this video because I have really much fun, very much fun making this. And this, guys, literally, guys, you guys, this is so soft. Just Listen to this. Ready? This can only be done by the super softest slimes in the world.
Wow.
Super
Satisfying.
slime, guys. Listen to that. So anyway, I really hope you guys liked this video. Come on, guys. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go hit that like button down below. Hit the red subscribe button. Itchy. Hit the red subscribe button down below as well. And hit the bell for notifications if you want to be notified in one of my newest videos that I've made recently. You can go like them as well. This is one of the newest videos I've made. So, and comment down below. If you've ever made the slime, what color you would put sparkles in it or something. Mine is like light green. You can't just really see it because mine is light green, and I'm gonna be starting a vlog channel, and make sure that, what else? You hit the subscribe button on my vlog and this channel, and comment down below if you made the slime and what color it was. What else? Like, subscribe, comment down below which color slime you made, and subscribe to the channel. Put the notification bell on, the red one. Push the yellow button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.